Hi, welcome to CJ Y Money Entertainments. And I have done or I have had people ask me how do I stop rugs from sliding, and I did a DIY to show that you can use a variety of things to stop a rug from slipping. But I was able to get these at a discount, and so I figure I'm gonna try them, especially due to the fact 2 of them came in a pack. So I got 2 of them for the price of 1. And this is a peel off the back, and you stick it to the rug and you press firmly. You could reuse these. So I figure the anti-slip rug grip, reusable, removable, and washable, is something that I would try, because most of these anti-strips, once they're on, and they're not being able to be removed. Close on this of the anti-slip rug grip, reusable, removable, and washable. This is the rug I'm going to put it on. And on here, they have them on an angle. So they have it on an angle, like with the edges matching up to each other. And that's the way they have it. They say you peel off the white of the back on the side, and you press firmly, and you peel off the clear backing to the floor. One piece are in, and then you press firmly on the floor. To reuse these grips, what material I can use to renew them for the floor side is water. So, okay, let's get ahead and put these on. Now, it goes on the angle like this. So it says peel off the white. Okay. Peel off the white. And gotta make sure I got it on the angle. And put it to the edge. And press down. And then do the same thing on this side and match up the edges. And press down. It doesn't seem like it's sticking to the material very well. Won't recommend these because they are not performing on here. They're not sticking at all. do not recommend these. Throw your likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button because you want to see my things and my stuff and things.